Did you know over 50% of people believe that their thoughts shape their reality? But what if that's more than just a belief? This week, I'm putting the law of attraction to the test to see if I can manifest real result in just 7 days. Let's dive in. The law of attraction has been a buzzword in personal development for years. But what does it really mean? Simply put this, it's the idea that your thoughts, emotions and belief can attract experience into your life. Think of it as a cosmic magnet where what you focus on grows. From manifesting wealth to finding love or even achieving inner peace, countless stories claim that this universal practice works. But here's the catch, most of us don't know how to use it properly. That's why I decided to challenge myself to consciously apply the law of attraction every day for a week. Will it work? We are about to find out. Now let's be real. If you ever tried the law of attraction, you might have hit some roadblocks like, what if I don't believe what I'm affirming? Or how do I stop negative thoughts from creeping in? These are common struggles that can make the process frustrating. People think they need to be positive all the time. That's impossible. Others believe that just wishing for something is enough. But manifestation takes more than that. And then there's impatience, thinking result will show up overnight. Sound familiar? Don't worry, because I'm here to share a step-by-step process that simplifies everything. Here's how I approach my 7-day challenge. Step 1. Get clear on your desires. I started by writing down exactly what I wanted to manifest, from financial abundance to better health. Step 2. Visualization, guys. Every morning, I have spent 5 minutes picturizing my life as if my goals had already been achieved. Step 3. Daily affirmations. I repeated positive affirmations like I attract opportunities effortlessly and my life is full of abundance. This helped me reprogram my subconscious mind. And finally, step 4. Stay grateful. Each evening, I wrote 3 things I was grateful for the day to maintain a high vibration. By day 4, I noticed something incredible. Opportunities started to flowing in unexpectedly. Whether it was a chance meeting with a potential client or finding money I had forgotten about. But the real breakthrough was in my mindset. I felt lighter, more hopeful, and in control of my reality. One specific moment stands out that it was a beautiful moment. The time was so light and it was so quick. It was a reminder that when you align your thoughts, emotions, and action, the universe responds. So, what did I learn? The law of attraction isn't magic, it's a tool. To make it work, you need clarity, consistency, and patience. Remember those 4 steps: get clear, visualize, affirmations and stay grateful. But here's the kicker, it's not just about manifesting things, it's about becoming the person who attracts them. And that takes practice. Now it's your turn. What have you manifested using the law of attraction? Share your experience in comments. And if you want to dive deeper into manifestation techniques, check out this next video. See you there.